Austin Mayfield here. Hope you're doing great today. Hope you're ready to crush it. I hope you're fired up all the time. When you wake up in the morning, when you go to bed at night, I hope you're fired up and you dream about your future success, okay? Austin Mayfield, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoy the content, and hit the bell icon so you're notified when I drop new content, okay? Your habits create your future. Very, very simple concept, okay? Very simple concept. And it's very easy to overthink it. Where is your thinking? What kind of thought process have you got going on up here in your noodle? Okay. Most people, 99% of people, probably 99.7% of people are right here. Okay. This is you, and this is the surface. I call it surface level thinking, okay? Very few people go down here and get dirty, get their hands dirty, scratch the surface, dig the surface, get below the surface, okay? Very few people. Why is that? Because of society. Society has us all dumbed down to stay with a mentality that is surface level. We only think on surface level. You compare yourself to others. You compare yourself to other family members that you might see as more successful than you. You compare yourself to your neighbor or to your boss. And you say, well, man, if I could just get there, I'd be successful. What if those people are still on the surface? They're not digging down here. It just seems like you're thinking on such a small scale. It seems like those people are so much further ahead of you. You might be making $100,000 a year or $50,000 a year, and these people you're talking about might be making $200,000 a year. If you really want to get ahead and feel successful, when looking at the world, the entire population and the top 1% of entrepreneurs, business people, whoever it might be that you're admiring, the people down here are making billions of dollars a year. And you're trying to be like somebody that's technically on the same level you are, okay? And it goes back to your habits create your future. They do. If you get up and go to the same job every single day, do the same repetitive tasks, go through the same motions every day, and you don't change your routine every day. Routine is a bad word unless it is very, very vague, okay? Think time. That's a good asterisk for a routine. Think time, okay? Because you can evolve yourself, evolve your mind to do forward positive things with an asterisk like that, okay? Working, that's a good positive asterisk, okay? Analyzing spreadsheets is not, because it's too detailed and it keeps you in the same grind, the same routine. You're gonna wake up 30 years from now and you're gonna be in the exact same place you were, okay? So be open to change. Break your current habits. Move forward progress, okay? Austin Mayfield here. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I got free opportunities in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you're notified when I drop new content. Thanks.